Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. Made it up on the beat and it can't see. Part on the screen, a whole lot is going on with Jamaican, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with this story because an anonymous tipster sent it in and said this fellow Jamaican, who is an NYPD officer, has been arrested and charged for raping a 20-year-old woman. People putting at the comment section what you think about that, because you know say is innocent to proven guilty. Nevertheless, Daheem Morris, 27, is charged of for doing the unthinkable on September 8th. Prosecutors said he was released without bail and due to be back in court this May. However, Morris and his 20-year-old victim were leaving the party with a group of people when they all jumped in a car to head out to another gathering in the Canarsie area. It was at the second party after everyone, but Morris and the victim had exited the car that the cop forced himself upon the victim as she pleaded with him to stop and tried to push him off of her, according to prosecutor. The pair had known each other for about 2 years and shared mutual friends. Prosecutors also disclosed that the victim told her cousin about the alleged incident. And that's when, them go down and do the kit. NYPD's internal affairs, got involved. Morris joined the police force October 19, 2022. So he's been on the force for like 4 years now. Was most recently assigned to the police service area 1, which patrols, the project buildings in Brooklyn, the NYCHA. He was previously assigned to the 73rd precinct over in Brownsville, and he has, recognized 6 times by the police department for excellent, work. But he is currently suspended without pay. And the NYPD refused to make any more comments. Have you noticed that open case and innocent to proven guilty? Let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, I just want to give you a quick update on Paparazzi Apple and her husband Jayden. It seems like, I don't want to say that they serve some prison time, but if them get in trouble again, their probation will be revoked and they would have to spend at least 3 years in the Ramsey jail in Minnesota. They plead guilty for the Lululemon theft. They was ordered with a restraining order and, like I said previously, with probation. But it seems like they only have to pay back $136 each in restitutions. These are some of the court documents that is available on the government website. This is Paparazzi Apple's part and her commitment that she has to, deal with. And like I said previously, probation was to the local confinement on the campus pause and read that part there on herself, but when they see the money part right this so Jayden, this is film part right now, it's similar to Paparazzi Apple, but then they catch him with some credit cards in the bottom, like over 6 of them, and over $1 million in a swiping's gone, but like I said, only $136 them have to pay back. Put in the comment section what you think about that, you see me? And now I don't want to say crime pays, but well, it's definitely paying off for the two. As them just buy one house the other day, and people was wondering why they might do that, because them was planning on them for going to jail for 15 years. But yeah, them prayers strong, my people. Them prayers strong. You feel me? And we just have to wait to see if them, get in trouble again. But nevertheless, let's proceed to the next in the meantime, don't it? Now, the other day, Annie came out and exposed one individual named Yankee did the unthinkable to her in more than one ways. You see, I say, cause say, I bottom the man go take. You feel me? And a lot of people out here is siding with him and saying that he was the one that was did wrong, because adding full of skits. So right now, eat boss and figure it out. I try console such man over there. So right now, bring up the both of them panel. And Annie said she never liked the disrespect. Bling all the people them sling at her, and I'm not deal with it. So let's see what eat boss them I deal with. Then we hear Annie part and proceed with the next decision.
Nobody now take it from Annie. Say Annie do good enough, but she do more bad than good.
I'm not saying no, but nobody talk about the goodness what she do. She has been doing goodness and she has doing bad. Talk about the both of them. Don't talk about one part and leave the other part. Nobody talk about the goodness what she do. Nobody appreciate what the girl do. Me see people tell me say how much me and Annie, me know her. Me don't know her in one time. Me meet her in the day when me get the visa. And she helped me son, cause me dey on my knees when time me know Annie. And she helped me with my 6 son when nobody named the help me.
One answer I wanna come down. Cause right now I can't bother with this because this really not really make no sense to me. And then something. And I'm gonna wrap up this blood class. What you say, Jayden, man? Don't come and say we did a chat about Jayden. He meant take for fucking come. If Annie don't want him up here, okay, tell me. I'ma take him down. You get what me I say? We depend the topic of him. We talk about Anna. We done after Anna. We talk about Jayden. You understand? Let me tell you now. I like him say, you're wrong, bring a suck your mother. Name out your mother.
But Miss Bringer never wrong either. People not listen, people don't listen, then just jump to conclusion and just talk, and then look what they must say. Then listen to what they must say.
Nobody couldn't come up here come this hour. Nobody couldn't come up here come this hour. You understand? Nobody. Because me not allow it. I want to know that. The people that who know me from a long time must say, if me have the interview, nobody now come up here so come this hour. What would have happened if her daughter had came up that we were speaking about? Tell me.
You'd have to add her if she want add.
Alright. And you think she could have come up here come this hour? Me I take her down.
The moderator would deal with her.
Them run with the pan for Jaden case now, right? We not go pan Aki Walket, with the pan for Jaden case. Them go call Jaden and listen, God's child, you know how the internet run. Them go tell be life for me all the time. Yeah. So I make sure talk with the woman say Jaden, nobody not over here this you. Do not this Annie. But you because Annie see him now, remember him and Annie of them, what you call it? Them bad blood. So you know,
Springer, you know, say me there not the live, you know, but you know, say me there and I watch it, you know, me see the moderator will come over here now. And me could have text the same time and say Miss Blinger Jaden now come.
Yes,
1, 2, 3, 4. But me assure you say, you see Miss Blinger sometimes it's the moderator them cause the problem, because you know sometimes the moderator them got say whatever and nothing really go like what them say. To get what me I say, so sometimes them carry the message as not how it even is. You get what I say? But you never did that. Do not wear enough for Miss Blinger. You do the right thing.
Them not crucify me and string me up and hang me up alive, boy. Yeah, not going to do that. Let me tell you what them problem. Him said the right thing. Him said them vex through them not hear everything. When I go and assume, I will go and assume. Me, as long as me live, I will never disrespect that woman anymore or say anything bad out of my mouth against that woman anymore. Because guess what?
Blinger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What may I say? Me not
go ahead.
Disrespect you. Nobody can come up here and disrespect you. You see, if you remember where I call people name, right? And people are go back to tell people. You know the internet.
I hear you when you say that. But remember, this is your program, this is your platform. I'm ask you specifically, please do not add anyone. You do an interview with me and you. It take a lot for me to come up to your system and talk to you. You understand what I say? Adding Jaden where you know, like, me knowing myself, say Jayden really, like, Jayden don't like me and my family. I does that, and it's just time for upset that. Jayden don't like me, Jayden don't like me, pitting them. There's some reason Jayden does despise me away, a person will come around me. You understand what I say? Right? So at the end of the day, if you're not going to interview Jayden, just do it separately. You understand what I say? And next people, of course, in the comment section, and it's like a slaughterhouse me come where people did this just a bash and a disrespect, which as well may I try to talk to you at the end of the day. So with all due respect, I'm sorry me jump off of the live this while ago that way.
And as usual, people, you know, say I'm not buying what these T-listers are selling, but nevertheless, it's entertainment all the same. You feel me? So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, most importantly, and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop them quick updates. Yes, it's it. Bless.